Hello friends, I am Hamid and welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we will learn how to animate a toggle switch button in Figma. It's a small UI animation that is used in a lot of operating systems and mobile apps. Now without wasting any time, let's get started. So friends, first of all we will open Figma and create a new design file. Now let's create a frame by clicking here and give it a size of 153 and 93 pixels. We will make our toggle switch out of this frame. Now round the corners fully. I am entering a 500 value and give it a nice subtle color of C5, D1 and DC. You can see it's a nice color. Now let's create a circle element having 80 by 80 pixel size. I will select circle and give it a 80 by 80 pixel size. Align it and give it a white color. Let's place it on the left side so it can look like a toggle switch in off state. I am giving it a very subtle drop shadow effect by clicking here and I will adjust a drop shadow effect. I am giving the opacity of 15% with a blur of 6. It's looking good to me now. Now select the whole frame and make it a component by pressing Ctrl-Alt-K on keyboard. You can see its color is now purple. That's indicating it's a component now. Now we will create a variant of our toggle switch by clicking this plus icon on the top. Make a copy of one switch by clicking Alt and dragging it. Now rename this top switch and call it off variant. I will select it and call it off state. Now select the bottom switch and call it on. It will be our on state. Now let's change the on variant so it can look like an on state. I will select the circle and place it on the right side. Now I will select the base and change its color to a bright green color. It's looking good to me now. Now it's time to prototype these switches so the end switch can animate. Select the off switch and click on prototype tab here. Here drag an arrow from off switch and connect it on the on switch. Some properties will appear here. Let's adjust them. It should be on click and then after clicking it should change to property 1, that is our on switch. Let's adjust the animation type here. Let's select Smart Animate and choose Gentle in Easing options. Give it a time interval of 300 milliseconds. Click enter. Drag an arrow from on switch and connect it to the off switch. Select on switch and drag an arrow from here and connect it to the off switch. It will automatically copy the last properties. Now go back to the design tab and make a frame here to preview. Click here and make a frame. I am giving it a size of 500 by 500 pixels. Now select this button here and place it in the middle. This is our end switch button that is animated and you can use it anywhere in your project as a component. Let's preview it by clicking on this present button. It will load the preview and you can see what's animated. You can see it's loading now. Just wait for a moment. Click and you can see it's beautifully animated. So friends, this was today's video. In today's video, we learned how to animate a toggle switch button in Figma. These toggle switches are used in a lot of web and mobile app design projects. If you like the video or learned something from this video, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. See you in the next video. I am Hamid signing out.